Kung Fu Panda Adventure. In the peaceful village of the Valley of Peace, there lived a panda named Po. Po was clumsy and loved food more than anything else. But deep down, he dreamed of becoming a kung fu master. One day, the wise Master Shifu announced a tournament to find the Dragon Warrior, the hero who would protect the village from any danger. Po was excited but worried he wasn't good enough. Determined to watch the tournament, Po tried everything to get to the Jade Palace. He climbed stairs, jumped over walls, and finally he launched himself with fireworks. He landed right in the middle of the tournament. As the dust settled, Master Oogway pointed at Po and declared him the Dragon Warrior. Everyone was shocked, especially Po. Master Shifu had no choice but to train Po. The training was tough and Po struggled, but he never gave up. He trained with the Furious Five and bit by bit he improved. Just when Po was starting to feel confident, news came that the evil Tai Lung had escaped from prison and was coming to the village. The villagers were scared, but Po knew he had to protect them. Po faced Tai Lung in the village square. Using his own unique style and his love for food, Po outsmarted Tai Lung and saved the village. Everyone cheered for their new hero. Back at the Jade Palace, Po was celebrated as the true Dragon Warrior. The villagers and the Furious Five cheered for him. Po realized that being himself was what made him great. And so, Po became the true Dragon Warrior, proving that with self-belief, perseverance, and embracing what makes you unique, you can achieve anything you dream of. Remember, greatness comes from within. The end. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Learnkin Kids, and don't forget to recommend it to your friends.